Hey guys, how's it going? So, a few months ago I imported an S15, a Spec Up. And we've spent about 3-4 months now fiddling around with it, fixing a couple of things, replacing a whole bunch of parts, making it faster, of course. Now, I told myself that I wouldn't fiddle around with it, but see how long that lasted. Anyway, so I am currently at Spectrum Motorsports and we're about to swap out the turbo, the manifold and the wastegate. We're going to go with an external setup as opposed to the internal wastegate and make this car sound amazing and feel great. So yeah, come check it out. Alright, so the car's finally in the shop. We've got the intake side of the turbo stuff taking off. We haven't actually taken the turbo off. We're going to do that next, but it's really, really hot and the manifold's hot as well. So I'm just going to leave it for the moment and then do some work. I don't know if you guys remember, but originally when I got the car, we noticed a couple of weird things about it. Check this out. This is my reset. There's a bottle cap in it, which is why the turbo flutter is so intense. And I think it's time for the bottle cap to go and actually put something a little bit more reliable in there. All right. I was about to say that we're done, but this car's not starting. Anyway, we're all done for the day. We're going to come back tomorrow and complete everything else. Time to go get some food. We'll see you tomorrow. Boom. Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 2. We've just started work on the car again. Actually, it's a bit of a lie. I started work about an hour ago, but completely forgot to film. So, what we've done so far is the screamer pipe is being engineered. That's all been done. It's attached to the wastegate, and also I had some pretty bad steering issues. That's been fixed, which is good. I believe my horn now works, and I believe my indicators should automatically cancel. We're about to find out. But yeah, come check out the car, see what we've done. All right, moment of truth, starting the car. I'm happy. Oh, yes. Oh, it's so bad. I'm gonna get a ticket. It's a booster. Alright, well, needless to say, I'm very, very happy with the way the car sounds and behaves. He's done an awesome job. Super, super stoked. I think that's going to conclude it. I think we're done. Time to head home and enjoy my new car. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome time, and I'll see you next time. Bye.